Hey Gary, Tom here with WFB Digital Solutions. Just want to take a minute of your time. I know you're busy. As I was on the phone with you, I wanted to go over a couple things that help you with your online presence. First thing would be content. Google searches to see how much content you have on your front page. Basically, is how you're found and uses it to push you up to the top of the search results. So they like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your front page. Looking at your website, doesn't seem to be a whole lot of content. It definitely need to be increased and also have a lot more keywords within that content. Looking at your competitor, which is when you search fence company Boise, first competitor that comes up would be Boise River Fence. That's going to be your highest competitor in Boise. They also don't have a whole lot of content. They have a little bit more, but it actually helps you because it's easily beatable by putting a lot more content on your front page there. What they do have is a lot of backlink or back pages, so that's something you'd have to look into, is making more back pages for your page, basically describing exactly what you have to offer, having more content on those pages, and also a lot more keywords too, so Google is able to rank you higher basically with the keywords. So looking at here, as you see, your page has only 7 organic keywords. You have 29 backlinks and referring domains. So with backlinks is basically how other websites throughout the web are using your website as a backlink to basically show people that what you have to offer in whatever content that they're talking about. So the more backlinks you have, the better. It helps rank your website. This is a trust here, Google Trust basically. That's 2 out of 100, so kind of, and your power is only 2.4 out of 100. So with increasing your content, organic keywords, and backlinks, that would definitely increase that there, which would also rank you higher. You can look at your competitors page here. They have 238 keywords and 14,000 backlinks. They do have a little bit more trust, but their power is still very low. Even though they have a ton of backlinks, doesn't necessarily mean a good thing. They have very low quality backlinks, so it'd be very easy to surpass them with backlinks, and also to up your keywords with more content. It'd be easily surpassable, ranking higher than they am on Google. Another thing we can look at, when you Google search fence companies, you see this map here, pops up with companies. This is called the map pack. And how you rank on the map pack is having citations. Citations is directly related to how your company name, address, and phone number are listed in Google. And you take that information and you put it into some directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, any local directories that list your information, helps you get citations and then ranks you on the map pack. So the more citations you have, the higher rank you are. First search will bring your name up here if you beat your competition with citations. Looking at the citations, Boise River Fence has 44 citations, so if you really think about it, it's not a lot, and it'd be very easy to surpass them, especially if we go down through their citations, using those websites, putting your information, and then finding more than what they have, finding other ones that they're not even using, and putting your information there. You could easily surpass their citations, becoming number 1 on map pack. So those 3 things there, with the keyword rich content on your main pages and your back pages, as well as the backlinks, having more backlinks and better backlinks, and then also the citations on the map packs. You could easily beat out your competition, because even though they're number 1 right now, just means that they're lucky, because in all honesty, it'd be quite easy to beat them out. So if you find this information helpful, educational, and even want to use me, or something that I can help you out with, or have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 208-402-8268. Again, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. I appreciate your time. Thanks.